This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook taco salad. First, you will brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat, breaking it apart with a spoon as it cooks. Once fully browned, drain any excess fat, then stir in 1 packet of taco seasoning mix with 1/4 cup of water. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully before it is ready. Begin by washing and chopping 1 large head of crisp romaine lettuce. This creates the essential base for your salad. Then, add 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans directly over the lettuce, distributing them evenly. You want a fresh, substantial foundation that can hold up to all the delicious toppings. This simple start ensures a vibrant and satisfying first layer. Next, introduce that delightful crunch with about 2 cups of crushed tortilla chips, or use a handful of crispy tortilla strips. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese generously over the chips and beans, adding a rich, savory layer. Follow this with 1/2 cup of your favorite salsa, which provides a bright, zesty kick. These elements bring essential texture and a burst of classic taco flavor. Now, let's add some fresh, vibrant vegetables to enhance the experience. Dice 1 large, ripe tomato and scatter it over the salad, introducing a juicy sweetness. Finely chop 1/2 of a red onion for a slight bite, or use green onions if you prefer a milder flavor. Finally, slice 1 creamy avocado, arranging the pieces beautifully on top for a rich and healthy addition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.